Right back we go, doing some more videos on these small caps and other stocks. It is Monday, March 8th. A lot of stocks have been hammered down, which is good if you want to get in because that's how the game works. When stocks have been in an uptrend, really since 2018, you're back and forth, big moves, coronavirus drop. Um, since March now, we've had a few drops. Different sectors. Tech has been crushed. Small caps have really came back hard now. So 236 million float, 30% institutional ownership. 826 million on MNKD. Biopharma focused on development commercialization of inhaled therapeutic products, diabetes, pulmonary arterial hypertension, patients in the United States. So going back to this stock, you can find this up and down moves. Get the six, pretty much a channel between this 1 and 3. Look at this back and forth. You've hit one many times. Look at here, here, 3, 4. I don't know, maybe +5 clusters in this. And then really in April, this has been on a long run. Very slow though. Here, 150, got to 2, 3, came back to this 325 level, then really took off with some big moves. This is where, the peak was back and forth, big chop. Then eventually we dropped really hard. Try to come back to this 3 in this candle, 314, little cross. Now you're at 1259 stochastics, very oversold. I love this 3 line. You've seen it here as eventually it was resistance, now it became support. If we break up here, we're very far away from 1320 EMA. Look for 450 plus 5, and I would watch 3 support on this. On this stuff. See LSN. This is 30 million float. Institutions and insiders don't really own this. 115 million market cap. What else they have here? Integrated development, clinical stage oncology, drug company focused on development, commercialization, directed chemotherapies, DNA, RNA therapies. Bring this line all the way over this 150 line. Bring this line up. Maybe it's a trend line. So when this gap down, this was 350 all the way back to 150, then formed this big U or a cup and handle. Look at this. Really grind it down. A lot of these had this November low, December. Then we came up 250 plus, came back, bounced to 325 plus. Look at these moves back and forth. Very filled candles. They didn't hold. And, really got caught and we're going back. This touched this 150, bounced. You're getting very oversold, 16.08 stochastic. So is this going to hold this 150? If it doesn't, you're back into this 125. Could, fall back to 1. Who knows here? This really isn't a line now. Let me take this out. So you can see the big run up and it's coming back. So where's your stop? It's holding now, but I'm not as sure on this one. If we do bounce, look for 2 plus. Maybe we get to 250, 275 in a few weeks on this. If we bounce strong on the market, you're going to get a lot of stocks really move. It could be like these 1, 2 day moves. It's really hard to say. All right, so that's CLSN. All right, CLVS. 86 million float, 55% institutional ownership, 574 million market cap. That biopharma focused on acquiring, developing, commercializing anti-cancer agents, United States. This had to move November all the way from 3 to 15 plus, and then dropped hard. 4, bounced to 10, came back to 4. This back and forth chop. Found just over 10. Was this like 1050 area? We moved up, formed a low, 5. And this really took off. So he got a big, strong move up. Look at the move down, just as strong. So right now, trying to hold. Maybe this is a trend line here. You got here, here. Is this going to hold? It's hard to say. You're very oversold at 12.15. You have a wick down here. Looks like a bottom wick. A lot of these wicks look like a bottom candle. 504. Yeah, if that doesn't hold, you go lower. You go 454, and then the move's over. Then you just got to wait, see what happens. If we do bounce, 650. I think we can get up to 758 maybe. See this range right here, 750 on this. We'll see if this happens. And I like this one more long. I think there's great potential here on CLVS. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Gamer Trades. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Subscribe. Please subscribe. It always helps. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Gamer Trades. What else I got? Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Twitter, I think I said that Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Peace.